How to do watch party on HBO Max. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can do watch party on HBO Max. For this, you want to open your Google Chrome browser, then head over to hbo.max.com and make sure to sign into your account. After you have signed in, you want to click on any movie or TV show that you want to watch on the watch party. After that, you want to open a new tab. Here, search for HBO Watch Party extension. Then you want to click on HBO Max Party Chrome Web Store. Once you click on this, you want to click on the option of Add to Chrome. With this extension, you will be able to watch HBO together and also chat with your friends. Now, click on Add Extension from this box. Once you do that, the download will begin. After the download has been completed, this extension will be added on your Google Chrome. All you have to do is, when you're watching your favorite TV show or movie, you want to click on this extension. Then you want to write down your nickname. After that, you want to click on the copy link option. All you have to do now is share this link with your friends and you will be able to do a watch party on the HBO Max. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.